Hey, it's Jack. We're back for another Meshbesher Monday, brought to you by Meshbesher and Spence. Today I'm talking with personal injury lawyer Mark Streed. Hey, Mark.
Hi, Jack. Thanks for having me.
Mark, if you've been injured in a crash, how do you know when you should hire a lawyer?
Well, the first couple of things I'd say about that is before anything, if you're in a crash and you are hurting, get to a doctor. It's more important to get to a doctor, get a baseline, get assessed, see what's wrong with you, get a treatment plan. That's even more important than calling a lawyer. But if you start seeing things like you're in severe pain that's affecting your ability to function, maybe you're still trying to work and you're stressed, you're getting bills coming in, you don't know what to do, you've got insurance companies calling you, and it's really starting to fill up your life, and you're really lost. That's when it starts controlling your life to that point. You do need to talk to a lawyer.
Now, what about folks who are worried if they can't afford a lawyer?
Well, that's a really good question. In our office, when we represent injured people, whether it's a car accident or anything, we work on a contingent fee where we only get paid if there's a successful recovery from the at-fault party or their insurance company. We don't send a bill. We don't ask for an upfront retainer. It's all contingent on there being a successful recovery.
Now, insurance companies, they work for us, so aren't they looking out for our best interest?
No, they're looking out to pay the least possible amount of money to preserve their bottom line. They're not worried about your bottom line or making sure you're fully and fairly compensated. So that's not true.
So what can you do for somebody who's been injured in an accident?
We can take a lot of things off their plate. We can make sure those bills are getting paid by the right insurance company. We can make sure they're getting the right care and treatment and start addressing the legal issues with the insurance companies as soon as possible.
If you've been injured in an accident, be sure to call personal injury lawyer Mark Streed with Meshbesher and Spence. Check him out at meshbesher.com.